Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be teaching you to set up a passive income strategy that will free up your time so you can do what you love and make money at the same time. It's a simple, done-for-you affiliate marketing technique, and I'll be walking through it step by step. If this is something that you're interested in, then please do keep on watching. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If this is something that you're interested in, then do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell down below. With that said, let's jump right into the video. So the platform that we're going to be using today is called kickbooster.me. And it's an awesome crowdfunding and affiliate marketplace in one. So besides the usual products and services that have already been launched and are already available online, Kickbooster will give you the chance to work with project creators and make money. So the beauty of the Kickbooster platform is that it offers a world of fresh ideas and innovative products and services that are completely new to the market. You can think of it as something like Indiegogo or Kickstarter, except here, affiliates get the chance to earn together with a project owner or creator. And don't worry, it's also 100% free to join. You don't need to be an influencer or have a website. In fact, you can get started just as soon as you decide that you want to. So because Kickbooster and its project creators give affiliates all the materials that they would need to get going, you really have no excuse not to get this started right away. The entire process of setting this up should take roughly about an hour. So if you could just skip an episode or two of your favorite TV show tonight, then you can use that time to start building a passive income source right now. Alright, let's head on over to Kickbooster and go to Marketplace. This will show you a list of all the available campaigns. You'll see that you have the option to choose all, staff picks, crowdfunding, or e-commerce. So just browse through the pages until you find a product that you would like to promote. As with all other affiliate marketplaces, you'll need to first sign up for an account, which you can do so easily by clicking on the sign up button on the upper right hand corner over here. So make sure you choose to sign up as an affiliate instead of a creator. The default will actually say project creator, but you can easily change that by clicking on this button right here that says not a creator, sign up as an affiliate. So after signing up and verifying your account, you can start boosting products. So boosting here means promoting as an affiliate. Let's say, for instance, this product called U-Factory Light 6. I think it looks very interesting and I feel like a lot of offices, companies would be interested in this. So let's start with this one for now. To see what it's about, let's click on this button over here which says View Campaign on Kickstarter. So here on the Kickstarter page, we can see that the item price ranges from $12 to $1,500 US. And back here on Kickbooster, we can also see that the commission that an affiliate would earn for each sale would be 5%, which should amount to $60 to $75 per sale. So now it comes to setting this up so that the product and your link are exposed to traffic over and over again, which in turn will allow you to make multiple sales passively. And before we do, let me quickly remind you that if you have any questions, I'd like you to feel free to leave them down in the comments section below so we can get back to you about them. And while you're at it, you might also want to consider giving this video a like and a share. Alright, so to get your affiliate link, which is what you'll be promoting, you can just click on Boost This Campaign over here, and then Boost Our Campaign. So this is where you'll be able to get your hands on your affiliate link. And you'll want to save that for later and now pay attention to the sales page on Kickstarter. So you'll notice here that the product has its own sales video on YouTube, along with other important pictures and information about the product. So what we're going to do is something similar to what several popular YouTube sites are doing to make a ton of money, which is to compile that information, group it together with similar products into one video, and then post them on YouTube. So don't worry, I will show you how to promote your channel and videos so that you can sell as much as you can. But let's first take a look at an example just so you can understand better how this will work. So on YouTube, you'll want to visit this channel called TechZone. As you can see, all the videos on this channel show compilations of like products. But if you look more closely, you will see that they don't just make videos about these products because they love them, but also because they earn from affiliate commissions off of them. And how do I know that? Simple, by taking a look at the description box, you'll see the affiliate links right away. And just like the strategy that I'm going to teach you today, TechZone simply compiles a collection of videos and photos that they easily get from project creators and affiliate marketplaces. So to do this, you'll want to first download the files to your PC. Again, from the item's Kickstarter page, you can simply look for the video and click on this button to be able to view it on YouTube. And once you're on YouTube, you can easily copy the URL to download the video on a website like savefrom.net. You'll want to keep doing this until you have a number of similar products that you can group together into one video. And once you have those multiple products and all of the audio and video files for them, you can use a free video editing software just like openshot.org to get that to work. Let's do a quick demo for this. As you can see, there are two windows before me in the middle. The left window is the project files panel and the right one will show you the video preview. Below both of these, you'll see the project timeline. So let's start creating our video. You can import the files that you'll be using by clicking this import button on top and clicking open, or you can also opt to do that manually just by dragging and dropping files from your folders like so. And once you have your files ready, you can simply arrange them based on the order that you have in mind, and that's it. You can also check for a preview to see what you've created on this window right here. And if the video that you intend to use already has a voiceover, you can note that everything you'll really need to do would be to stitch everything together and add a few text overlays here and there, which makes it extremely simple. Now let's say you're done creating the video. What you're going to do next is upload it on YouTube. And once that's ready, you'll want to click on the share button right here to copy the video URL and then promote it on different forums, different social media pages, other YouTube channels, but all in a related niche. Just spread it around as much as you can, making sure you're targeting the correct audience. So one of my personal favorite places to promote links in would be on Facebook. If you make sure that you know the market that would be interested to watch your videos and potentially purchase the items you featured, then Facebook groups have a ton of traffic and warm leads for you. Just don't sound too salesy or desperate, and make sure to try to come from a place of help, and this strategy will definitely boost your video views and drive sales for you. After a while, you might even be able to monetize your videos if you want to, and that could be passive income source number 2 for you, which is obviously the end goal that we have in mind. I do hope that you got a lot of value from today's content, and if you did, then please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because it really supports the channel. Also, let us know what other types of videos that you want to see next. Feel free to leave them in the comment section below and we'll make sure to include those in our video lineup. We also have a ton of other money-making video ideas, so please check those out in the description box where I'll be leaving links for you. As always, let me leave you with a reminder that if you want to work towards financial freedom, then you do have to put in the work and do it today, because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. Alright guys, take care and see you again on the next one.